Thank you for tuning in and welcome to another unboxing. This time I ordered some stuff from Puppetswar, I'll pop a link below, and I ordered their sorceresses and some mohawk heads because the mohawk heads look really cool. But I'll need the sorceresses for my next Frostgrave warband. So let's see what's in the box. That's nicely packed. Whoopsie. Mohawk heads. Really cool detail on these. I'll probably use them for Space Marines, I guess. Maybe to other stuff. And the sorceresses. Lovely detail as far as I can tell. Anyhow, I'll clean these up and put a few together and we'll do some size comparisons. So, I've cleaned and assembled two of the sorceresses. And as with many resin kits, they were quite a pain. They were flimsy, or what do you call it? There were some annoying mold lines, a lot of flash, stuff like that, but now they're together and I'm really happy with them. They are quite tall, which if you were to use them for Frostgrave, you can see here is regular Frostgrave cultists. And a Games Workshop Chaos Knight. But since I'm gonna use them with these guys from 3D Minutes, who are rather tall themselves, I'd say they are, well, pretty much perfect for what I need them for. I love the detail level, and to be honest, the design is exactly what I wanted for this Frostgrave warband. And I guess I am kind of spoiled after having worked with these 3D printed minis with no mold lines, no nothing, no work to be done before I could put on paint, basically. So I'll get these painted up and use them for our upcoming Frostgrave campaign. And well, yeah, I'm really excited about them. So if you're watching this video while it is what do you say, fresh, there is a sale going on over at Puppetswar, and they have loads of stuff for sci-fi and fantasy, so definitely check them out. I'm not being paid to say that. I bought these miniatures same as everybody else. But yeah, check them out and let me know below what you think. Until next time, take care and bye bye.